Hey folks, welcome back to the Beer Wrench Garage, and I wanted to bring you a quick video on how to use a smoke machine to test for an exhaust leak. I suspect that this vehicle behind me, my 2004 Mustang GT, which I haven't done a video on yet, but I will at some point, and if it ends up getting done before this video comes out, I'll put that link up there in the description below. But either way, I suspect this vehicle has an exhaust leak. I'm going to show you an interesting way of what I'm going to do to confirm or alleviate that suspicion. All right, so follow along here. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Autoline Pro kind of kit, smoke machine kit, really affordable. I think I got it for about 120, 140 bucks. And then using the accessory exhaust cone plugs. I'll show you what that looks like. So if you come down here, and you might not see this very well, but you'll see the exhaust smoke machine unit. The air compressor fitting goes here. That's going to push air through the unit, and then this is the little nozzle where the smoke's going to come out of. Now, because this car obviously has dual exhaust, I have to account for the second tailpipe. And so the kit I was talking about comes with this little rubber plug which will fit in there and plug up any smoke that might come out this way. On the other exhaust pipe, I have this other rubber plug which will accommodate my fitting. And so once the machine is warm, it'll supply smoke through there, and we can follow the exhaust down into the front of the car and see where the leaks are coming from. Only other piece to this is I got to give it power, and so this is the power switch. Just turn it on. It's going to take about 3 minutes or so for this to warm up enough to start making smoke from the liquid that's in there. And the only last interesting piece to that is this comes with a pretty long power cable right there, but I had to kind of make my own home brew to be able to run it off the battery of the car, and I'll show you how that looks like in case you're interested. So the kit's wiring goes about up to here, and then I just made myself I got a couple of extra clips and some 12 gauge automotive wire, and just made myself a couple of extensions to be able to plug that in. So we'll give it a couple minutes to warm up, and then we'll push smoke through the pipes to see where our leak might be. So after about really 3 minutes or so, you'll start seeing smoke coming out of the nozzle. And I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but you gotta trust me, there's smoke coming out. At this point, I can get ready to connect my air hose, but I'm gonna put the nozzle back into the exhaust pipe real quick before I put this on. All right, so just connected that, and we can go into the car and look to see where the smoke might be. Oh, got a first leak right there. So if you can see this this connection right there, let me see if we can get some light on it. Massive leak right there. And then right there, massive leak. We'll give it a minute for, wow, that's not good at all. Looks like a little bit of a leak on this side. Yeah, so a little bit of a leak on that side. Yikes. A little bit of a leak on this right here. Right? It's definitely a big leak. And so you can see, without even doing the smoke test, you can see the soot right there, and that only would happen if it was leaking exhaust. So this side's good. This side is sooty. Same thing where it goes to the cats. Right there. See if, oh gosh, that's a lot of leaks. A lot of leaks. All right, so I got my work cut out for me tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and just essentially disassemble and reassemble this exhaust and make sure it doesn't leak. But you get the idea of how a smoke machine works on finding an exhaust leak. Well, folks, like I said, quick video. I hope you learned something, or it was at least interesting as far as how to use a smoke machine find an exhaust leak. This setup isn't really too expensive. Like I said, that kit is 150 bucks or so, and then the accessories another 20 or 30 bucks, and then a $200 compressor. So within a few $100s you can have this home kind of kit set up for really effective way of finding exhaust leaks. All right, so if you like that video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments or suggestions or any thoughts on the video, let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. And with that, check out some of our other videos just like this. Otherwise, thank you and see you on the next video. Oh, also, I hope you got a kick out of this shirt. I am a slut for tacos, a veritable taco. Anyway, see you later. See you on the next video.